Hi, this is Swayam and welcome to Fusion Cuisine with my brand new series of weight loss recipes. If you're looking for shortcuts to lose weight without much effort, you have just arrived at the right place. In this series, we'll see quick and easy drinks or recipes to lose weight which can be included in our daily lifestyle. Let me show you this multigrain batter which you can use for making dosas or idli, and this not only tastes delicious but helps in controlling weight as well. What can be better than this? So let's take a quick look for making this batter. To begin with, in a bowl, we'll start by adding different types of grain. So first I added here around a half cup of sagu or the sabudana, as it's considered to be a good substitute for wheat-based flour. Next, what I have here is ragi. This is rich in iron and it also contains natural fats and fiber which helps to lose weight. Next, what I have here is dalia. Add around a half cup of dalia. Now, this is highly nutritious food and it helps to improve the metabolism of the body and eventually helps to lose weight. Now, this is Tail Millet. And this is more popular in the form of makhana. And now this one is in the form of a millet. I cannot stress enough on the health benefits of this millet. The fibers present in the foxtail millet gives a feeling of fullness which helps to control excessive food consumption. Now, isn't that great? To this, add around a half cup of quinoa. Let me share a quick fact here. Quinoa is much higher in fiber than most of the grains. It's also high in protein and contains all 9 essential amino acids. It can increase metabolism and reduce appetite significantly. These are the grains that I added, but you can go ahead and add oats, or you can also include any kind of dal to this. The best part is, the more variety you bring in, the more it becomes nutritious and delicious. To this, add enough water to cover them and keep it aside. Here I have 1 cup of Urad Dal which is already cleaned, and to this I'm gonna add 1 cup of brown rice and then I'm going to soak this separately. I'm using here brown rice as definitely it's much more healthier than the white rice. So you can go ahead and make use of either white rice or the brown rice. To this, add few methi seeds as it helps in the fermentation later on, and cover this in water and let this sit in water for straight 8 hours. For the grain mixture, soaking just for 4 hours will work. Now after 8 hours, as you can see, the urad dal and the rice have soaked well and it has kind of become soft as well. Now let's see this grain mixture. Even the grains have soaked the water very well. Now take a portion of both and add it to the blender and make a smooth paste with little water. This batter looks good, but it's still not ready to use. So what we'll do is first pour the batter into a bowl. And the secret behind making delicious dosa is to allow the batter to ferment for 8 hours. And then you see the magic happens. So let this ferment for 8 hours. Now after 8 hours, as you can see, this has fermented so well. We just need to add some salt and then we are good to go. To make perfect dosa, heat the tawa. Now I just sprinkle a little bit of oil and then pour 1 to 2 spoonfuls of dosa batter. Add some oil to this and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on both the sides. And there you go, this delicious multigrain dosa is ready to set your day. This one has turned out really crispy and this tastes just divine. As this is so delicious, you can go ahead and enjoy this on its own or dip it with some chutney. Now I also use the same batter to make multigrain idlis. And look how soft it has turned out. I enjoy hot idlis with some peanut chutney. Look at the texture of this chutney as well. Let me know if you're a big fan of chutneys like me. As you saw, this power pack recipe is packed with full of nutrients and has lots of fiber which will keep you full for longer. So in a way, you're eating good and also keeping your weight under check. To see more weight loss recipes, subscribe to Fusion Cuisine now and click on the bell icon to receive notifications. I'll be back with another remedy very soon. Until then, stay fit, stay healthy.